Molecules making magic. How does a magician light money on fire and not burn the paper? Watch this experiment and find out. For this experiment, safety is important because you'll be working with an open flame. Be sure to wear safety glasses and have fire suppressant equipment handy. You'll need a 100mm test tube, a small beaker, 2 propanol, also known as rubbing alcohol, water, table salt, tongs, and a safety lighter or matches. You will also need a spare $5 bill. To start, add about 2 grams of table salt to the test tube. Then, fill the test tube nearly half full with water. Now, add rubbing alcohol, almost completely filling the test tube. Rubbing alcohol is highly flammable. Keep the container sealed and away from open flames. Put the rubber stopper in the test tube, holding it in place, and gently shake the test tube to mix the water and alcohol. Pour the solution into the beaker. Next, wet the bill in the solution from the test tube and remove it using tongs. Move the beaker away from the bill before lighting. Now, light the bill on fire. Only the alcohol burns, not the bill. Water has a high specific heat capacity and specific heat for vaporization. It is able to absorb so much of the heat given off by the burning alcohol that the paper doesn't get hot enough to burn. It just gets a little soggy. Magic? No, science.